life is never have a cuss battle with a Jamaican. As in, just leave. As soon as they begin to cuss you, just walk away. Because they always take it too far. All of a sudden, una black clat. What does that even mean? Your mom and dad is thinking picnic about. They just start dragging, saying words out of nowhere. I just thought we were talking about each other's features. All I said is that I don't like your sandals. That's why you are a spotted face. You look like Rumpelstiltskin. They just start using English. They become a Shakespeare of cussing. Can we just keep it on a basic level? This is why Jamaicans have a lot of friends, because you don't want to be against them. All of a sudden, look at him. Look at ear. The ear of that stink. That is stinking a boy. You know what? No, but they just have you gasping for air. You have to fight them. That's why Jamaicans are getting, because the way they can cuss, you have to fight them too. And even that, they'll get their brothers and uncles and Rastafari to come and beat your ass. So it's not a win-win. Just leave your